Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to deploy Appsheet app. So the very first thing that you do is you just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Appsheet and then just have to sign up for an account. As you can see, some of our apps are already deployed. So in order for you to deploy an app, you just have to follow our guide. Okay, so what we are going to do first is we are going to create a new app using a template. You can also start with existing data or start with a blank app. So for this one, I'm just going to use a template. So right here, you'd be able to see different templates that you can use for your app. Okay, so I think I'm going to use this one. So you just have to click on copy. Then after that, just wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to see here now the customization section. So at the right side, this is the preview of your app. Okay, and at the left side, you have the other informations where you can provide all of the data or the details of your app. So here is your dashboard. So you can change the name, you can upload your own logo, and then type out your own description. Okay, so let me just go back right here so you can edit the logo, edit the name, and then edit the description. So here, just go to the data section. So you can add more table right here if you want to. You could add columns, slices, and you also have the user settings and the options. And for the UX, we have the primary views. And for the automation, the security, and the intelligence. Now, to deploy this app, after finalizing all of your information, you can also go here to the mobile view, tablet view, and the desktop view. So from here, you can also add more details of your app. So using the desktop view, you can thoroughly check if there are missing information and what are the things that you need to finish or get done. And then after that, go to the security, and then if you want to require user sign in, you can toggle the switch on. Now click on the not deployed option at the top left, and you'd be able to see here now the deployment checked. Okay, some of our information pass, but some are warnings, and we also have one error. So of course, when you are creating your app in Appsheet, make sure that everything pass. Okay, so you will not need to face any problem in the future. And what am I going to do now is I'm just going to move app to deployed even if there are some issues, and you just have to wait for a couple of seconds after that. And as you can see at the top left, you can see here now the indicator that says this app is deployed. Okay, and you have here the deployment checked and then the branded apps. So let's try to open this one in a new tab. So this is how it looks like. And another thing, if your app is meant for business or customer use, consider adding analytics to track how users interact with it. And yeah, make sure to check for any issues with user access, data syncing, or workflow automation. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.